We will be using this Ashok Chakra image for our flag. So create a file flag.java, extend the class with jframe, create the constructor, call the setBounds method with x 200, y 50, create variables for width and height. The width will be 600 and height 500. Call the setDefaultClose method. Call the setVisible method. Write the main method. Override the paint method. Set the background color as white. Fill the background with FillRect method. So this is our window. Now set the orange color for our flag. Call FillRect with x 100 and y 100, width 400 and height 100. This is how it looks. Copy the code and paste it below. Here set green color and change the y value to 300. Create an image object for Ashok Chakra image. Get image from image icon. Draw the image with x 250 and y 200. The image is big, so set width and height to 100. Perfect. Now let's animate it. Implement the runnable interface. Create the thread object. Start the thread. Override the run method. Create the while loop. Write the try catch block with interrupted exception. Print the exception. Set the sleep duration to 20. Call the revent method. Now keep the flag width in a variable. Also create a variable for chakra x. Nothing has changed. Remove 400 from flag width. Check if flag width is less than 400. If yes, then increment it by 1. The animation is working. Let's move the image. Set the chakra x to -120. Check if chakra x is less than 250. If yes, then increment it by 1. So in this way we animated the Indian flag. To learn complete game development from scratch with easy steps, just click on the link in the description.